Hey, so I came across your website and I just want to give you some feedback on this. What I love about this website is it is clean one, and the information a client would need is here. So yeah, so maybe one of the suggestion I can say is you put the number on top on this so client would easily contact you. So now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google and what we are looking right now. I'm going to show it to you. What we're looking right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid and you can see you are number one right here in the middle area. It's nice. Which is your Google profile location that around that it drops off quickly right on the top right here and on the middle and on the bottom. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile or another website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Now let's take a quick look to see how you are ranking. Wait, I'm gonna find you here. Homer. So Homer, that's a good position though. So you're in the 12th in position. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you are also the companies are also offering the same as you do, and also below your ranking. So, what we are thinking or what we suggest, like I said before, is to another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.